hope you are all well, and thank you very much for watching my video. And today I'm gonna show you how we can do samples from the fragrances very easy and quickly. So you will need funnel and these plastic bottles, little plastic bottles. These are 2 milliliters, and you can get them from eBay, for example. I got them from eBay. I got so many. They come like this. So how do we do it? You take this little plastic bottle, you can hold it. Okay, you take your fragrance, and then you take the funnel, you hold it there. Make sure the surface it's standing on, it's quite stable, and you can make it quite stable by holding the funnel as well. Anyways, so what you do, you spray it inside the funnel like this. It's probably not the most effective way, as loads of fragrance may lose out in the air. So I'll spray it quite a lot actually. You only need a little bit, because what happens when you spray too much, you are supposed to spray only about up to there, because when you spray too much, what happens when you put this inside the top, it's gonna be probably too much, so the fragrance will spill. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you see it's going too much up, it will be too much, so you need to leave the space at the top, free air. So what I'm gonna do now, as I've done too much, I'm just gonna pour it into other one. Ta-da! Done! Don't do it in once actually, didn't I? Anyways, you can do a little bit like less, like a little bit more. Okay, that's not how you do it, guys. That's not how it's done, right? I'll show you how it's done here. Okay, and then you put this thing there, the top, and you click it until it fully closes. It's not easy. Done. Here's the click. Okay. And now you've got the sample. See? So yeah, you still need something on the top. You don't need to fill it up completely. And now you've got the fragrance. See? Done. Spraying. Got the sample. I'm gonna do second one properly. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this one because it's only a little bit better. So I'll show you how much you need. Okay, that should be enough. See? So that's all you need. You don't need just perfect. Not too much, not too little. Like this. And then you put this top there. You cook it properly because it's not ready. And you have to do it so it doesn't move. Done. See? Done. Got another sample. It. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Okay, now I've lost some of them. So yeah, make sure you use things in the process. Okay, I've got them. Okay, so let's do another one. I've got this there. I'm using fragrance from Federico Mahora 832 because sometimes I want to do samples if they are not available. So people, they ask me. So, oh, I forgot. Like I said, it's probably not the most effective or cost-effective way how to do it, because loads of fragrance is just evaporating in the air, but it gets job done. So there you go, job done. That's how easy it is, like 1, 2, 3. And also I'm using always the same funnel for each fragrance. You can wash it too, but I'm just using the same one, or you can wash it, I guess, so it doesn't mix up and stuff. The scent. So that's it, pretty much done. There you go. The glue's done. And this is fragrance from Federico Mahora, 832 Pure Real, and you can find it on the link below if you like. It's very nice men's fragrance, very sexy, very seductive, very spicy, very warm, very quite sweet actually, and it's just beautiful. This is one of my favorites, this one. And it comes in a box like this. This is the box for the fragrance. It's quite beautiful. There you go. I hope you find this video helpful, guys, and happy sampling!